Hello to my viewers. Today's topic is about rational expression. This maths is intended to the grade 8 students. I have here 1 and 2. Later I will write number 3. So number 1, I have here 5 over b is divided by 7 over b. So when it comes to division, we change the operation to multiplication, then upside down of the second fraction. So I need to write the first fraction, 5 over b. As what I said, I need to change this operation to multiplication and then upside down of this fraction. So upside down of this fraction will be b over 7. Since b are the same, so this will be cross out. Then I have 5 over 7. So that's the answer for number 1. Now let's proceed to number 2. Number 2, I have here 2x plus 6 over 4 is divided by 3x plus 9 over 8x. So first thing to do in the first fraction, so I need to factor out. So common between 2 and 6 is 2. Then this will be x plus 3 over 4. Okay? Then need to change the operation to multiplication. Okay, and then upside down of 3x plus 9 over 8x, this will be 8x over 3x plus 9. Okay, so need to copy first. So this will be, I think we can cross this one. So this will be divided by 2 is 1, divided by 2 is 2. So I have x plus 3, then this will be 2, times 8x. Factor out 3 and 9, so this common is 3. Then I have x plus 3. This will be crossed out. So this will be, you need to erase this one. So this will be 8x. Then my denominator is this one. 2 times 3 is 6. Reduce this one. So 8 can be divided by 2, so this will be 4. And then 6 divided by 2, that will be 3. So I have 4 over 3x. So that's the answer for number 2. Now let's proceed to the last number, number 3. Number 3, I have a squared minus 1. And then the denominator is 2a plus 4 is divided by a plus 1. Then a plus 2. Okay, so factor out a squared minus 1. Take note, a squared can be written as a squared minus 1 squared. So this is difference of 2 squares, so it should be a plus 1. And then a minus 1. So these are the factors of a squared minus 1. So this will be a plus 1 and then a minus 1. Take note 2 and 4. So common is 2. This will be a plus 2. Then change the operation to multiplication upside down. So it should be a plus 2 over a plus 1. So the same, cross out. A plus 2 cross out. So for the numerator, I have a minus 1. Then for the denominator, only 2 has been left. So this will be over 2. So for number 3, a minus 1 over 2 is my answer for number 3. That's all.